Good evening, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, August the 18th, 2021, and I'm so excited to come to you with a story in our Black history from this book called Little Leaders, Bold Women in Black History. We don't only have to celebrate Black history in January and February, we can celebrate Black history 365 days out of the year. So let's get started on today's story. Mary Eliza Mahoney was a black nurse. She was born in 1845 until 1926. Mary grew up before the American Civil War as a free woman in Massachusetts. Though, as a black woman, her career options were limited. Mary knew that she wanted to be a nurse. When she was 18 years old, she started working at the New England Hospital for Women and Children. But she wasn't saving lives yet. She had to work as a cook and a scrubber. Although Massachusetts was a leading state in the anti slavery movement, discrimination and segregation were still a way of life. The hospital, however, prided itself on the fact that it treated both black and white patients. It also had a nursing program that admitted one black student and one Jewish student per year. They considered this quite progressive. Mary worked on the hospital staff for 15 years before being admitted into the nursing program in 1878 at the age of 33. That year, 42 students were accepted, but only four graduated. Mary was one of those who graduated. As a private nurse, Mary had an incredible reputation as being patient, skillful, that is so wonderful. She traveled around the East Coast, and her work helped challenge racism in the South. She was soon inducted into the American Nurses Association. In 1908, she helped support the founding of the National Association of Colored Graduates Nurses, which later named a major award in her honor. Mary's nursing career lasted 43 years. Wow, that's a very long time. She was recognized as a pioneer and in 1976 was inducted into the ANA Nurses Hall of Fame. Her old hospital, the New England Hospital for Women and Children, renamed the Dimock Center in 2007, features a new health care facility named after her, the Mary Mahoney Center. That's a beautiful story in our Black history. Children, I hope you enjoyed this story and have a good evening, good night, until next time.